Hi, friends. This week we've been talking about fairness and what fairness means, and we've been listening to a few different read alouds of different characters' experiences with being treated unfairly or fairly, or talking about what fairness is. Today, your read aloud is called New Shoes by Susan Lynn Meyer and illustrated by Eric Velasquez. In this story, the little girl is not treated fairly. She goes to the store and wants to try on her new shoes, and because of the color of her skin, they will not allow her to do that. And she has an idea on a way to make things fair for her friends. So she is not treated fairly in this book, all because of the color of her skin. And I know that everyone in life has probably had an experience where you felt like you were not treated fairly. Maybe someone was not being nice to you at school, or maybe you and your siblings got in a fight and they were not treating you fairly, or maybe you even had an experience out in the public at a store or somewhere similar to the little girls in this story. So today I want you to write a sentence telling me about a time when you felt like you were treated unfairly, or maybe a time when you saw a friend being treated unfairly. So you're going to write about that experience and upload a picture of your work.